Hello, hi everyone. Okay, today we review one new kit HG from Destiny. This is a Legend Gundam. So this is the box art. Here we got Destiny Gundam at the back. So this is a front and back image. The action pose. We got like dragons. Weapon got two gun saber, and the funnel here, shield. Then this articulation for the body parts, and this is 263 number for HG seat cosmic era. Then this is more info. So the price is around ringgit Malaysia 100. Okay, so got one pack, 2, 3, 4, 5. So total got 5 packs and one manual. So pack first here. Nice. Damn. Bisa. Pisau. Okay. First pack. This one we runner P2. The funnel here and body parts. Armor for the body parts. Then next is runner C2. This is mostly for inner frame. This is inner frame for chest, waist, and hand and legs. So earlier we got B2, this is B1. So the copy exactly the same parts here, only for this one maybe for the body. So the other is hand or leg parts, same as this in the front, C1 and C2. So for this one is hand part and weapon, and this for body. So this one mostly for hand and leg side. In the frame they got a pair. So next pack here, I got red color D2, and I think this one is D1. Better we take the same runner, easier. So D2 and D1. So this part is copy for the leg parts, and funnel I think this is for body and head. The E1. So back here. Got a sticker, maybe for the weapon. Got a sticker here. Legend Gundam A2 dengan A1, but this separate parts, not copy to A1 and E1. The blue color. I see the clear part for E2. So effect parts here. Okay, and that's all for the runner. So here is the manual. First show you got javelin, assault cannon. This one is high energy beam rifle, shield generator, assault cannon, and dragon system. Okay, first, this is a new kit, so all the runner will be used. Don't have an X mark here. And start with the head parts here, simple, and then body parts, and the arms, right arm here, left arm got extra hand here, and the legs, waist, complete body, then the backpack. So backpack is big, so text and weapon, beam saber handle stored at the left side, and how to attach the shield and the effect part at the funnel here, and action base connection here, but action base not provided lah, need to buy separately. Then I think that's all for unboxing Legend Gundam. So we will do the speed build and review later. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.